What was different with ChatGPT, and really what makes these systems successful, is when they focused on elevating human creativity. It is fun and exciting to have an amazingly brilliant AI brain. But when it comes to commercial success and when it comes to bringing value to humanity, it's all about elevating people, elevating our creativity, elevating our intelligence. And what I want to challenge you with today is how far we can take that. What does it mean for a machine to elevate humans?
I feel like there's a lot of positive here that sometimes gets lost in the shuffle, gets lost in the details, and gets lost in the fact that our political and economic systems are not very well suited for it. But that's not exactly a weakness with it necessarily, it's a sort of fit problem. Virtually all CEOs of these generative AI companies say, oh, we're here to help humans. We're here to inspire, we're here to assist creatives. But sometimes it's not true. You try the tool and you can tell that you're out of the loop.
And the human needs to be in the driver's seat. That is absolutely critical. That's why ChatGPT is successful, because you're actually in the driver's seat. So I'll leave you with one final thought, right? We don't have to be myopic. Let's create a world that we want to live in with the power of generative AI. I'm Maya Ackerman. Thank you so much for having me.